change the scales, they change the interpretation of the vision. What they can't change, or what they won't change right now, is the instruments. Like when you're flying an airplane through fog, you fly by instruments, you don't look at the visual, you just look at the instrumentation. What the instrumentation is telling us is extremely interesting. And if you didn't catch it, this is negative solar wind. This isn't positive solar wind, okay? So when I go to space.com, it's going to say the wind speed right now, the solar wind speed is like 480. It's not. It's negative 480. That means the wind, the direction of the solar wind is coming from this way, from an interloper. Does that obviate a black star? Pretty much. Pretty much it obviates the black hole being the reason for this effect on the Earth, because a black hole doesn't eject, well, at least that we know of anyway. It could, I guess, from gamma radiation. But at the end of the day, this is kind of a constant magnetic field that makes us think of is the fact that we have negative solar wind. Don't miss that point. This shows you the hour right here that we're in. This shows you that we're coming into a time, and listen to me, this is the end of the message here, and I want to really get this out to you guys. I want you to really think about this now, okay? So fear, right? If they can get us to be afraid as these effects start to happen, as we start hearing trumpets over our heads because of the electromagnetics, because of the electricity, because of all that kind of stuff, and if they can cause us to be in fear, then they can control you. So the key thing, as we're looking at this data, this is an inoculation so that you know what's really happening. We have something pushing on us from this direction where there is nothing other than, well, there's Jupiter and Mars, a couple things over there, but nothing that would cause an electromagnetic wind or a solar wind in the 490, 495, 485. There's just nothing out there. That has to be caused by a star, okay? And that's why we've been harping on this and why it's been so interesting this week to look at this instrument. But it's not to cause fear. It's to inoculate you from fear. Because let me tell you something, guys. We're going home. We're going to be free. Freedom. This is all about freedom now. And they're losing their grip. Steve Olson, WSO.